Hey, what's up guys, it's me Mr. BB here. So I'm gonna show you my all the PC parts. That's the cabinet and the other, yeah. So I'm gonna show you my parts.
I just wanna feel your love. I just wanna feel your love.
Hey guys, I couldn't show you the inner process because it's already installed. I installed it and I lost the footage, I don't know how. So it has a iCode 7 900 9600K, okay, and the Intel processor here. So you take this thing, there is written CPU fan. So you'll take this and you see this knob, right? So it's all fitted out. 16 GB RAM. I have the 16 GB RAM. Take this out, open these. Any of these ports. Yes, like that. This should be closed and you need to hold it here a click. This is the 240 GB WD SSD NL1. So you take this and put it here. And it hangs like this. You need to get this little this screwdriver like this. This one I need to go and press this down. Take the screwdriver. Yes, that's what you do it. Yeah. And the SSD. So guys, this is the light. And yeah, you'll take this cabinet fan. You'll put right here like it's written system fan. Yeah. Right next to, yeah, you see that system fan. Yeah. You take the system fan point, you just do your cable management as usual. Now is the turn for the power supply. I'm gonna take this. Actually, I recommend you guys for the like medium price, take this Atom. No, actually take the Atom 551, not the 450. I have the 450 for now. So you take this power supply. Damn, that's clean. Okay. So you take all these wires. Actually, you need to put your power supply upside down for real. Yeah. Because then upside down this. Take this thing. Just slide it in. Yeah, just. So now, if you can see this, yeah, better. Now you just push this power supply in this. You take one of these screws and plug it in. Hold it from the back side. I guess I'm blocking you guys because I can't see the camera. Oh. Ow. How do I do it? Yes, like that, guys. You go you need to make it as tight as possible. I'll make it right now. So this is the trick. You put a bolt right here, then not here, then right here to adjust the angle. Then wherever this thing is, from here, then to here, like that. From the first part, and then push them right here. Yeah, that's all they can go. Yeah, and the LED ones. I'ma find the LED ones actually. Yeah. Here's this one. I'm gonna push it right here. The second one, the dusty one actually. Yeah, everything is pushed in. Now here's the power unit is in. Let go, and the wires. The ketchup and mustard wire version actually. I bought them. So here's what I'm gonna install. One of these. So 1 TB Seagate hard drive, a desktop HDD, and the ZTOG GTX 1030, and yeah, GTX 1660 Super. That's what I'm gonna install right now. And see you guys right now. I'm gonna guys take this wire. Come here. Yeah. You take this wire and come here. Take that and come here. Ah. I don't know. Hey guys, now I fixed the USB and the HD audio. Is it there, HD audio? Let me just check. Oh no, I can see it. Oh yeah, it's the HD audio. That is the USB, and this is the J USB actually. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah. This is this blue USB. This blue USB. I think it goes like this. It does. Yeah, it does. Go, just go. What it really means to live life golden. Yes, now we need the power cord, which is this. One of these. You would even need these for the SSD if you take the external one. And you just put this thing right over here. Right over here. Right over here. I can't see the screen from this little camera. Oh damn. What did I just do? Do it. Yes. I just clamped it in. Now, one more thing. Where's the SATA cable? Where's my SATA cable? That is the most important cable in the world. Hey guys, this is the setup now. So I'm editing the video right now, and this is the whole finished PC. This one does not work as I said. I'm gonna buy a new fan because this is low power. You can buy any fan 120mm. So this is the graphic card. Yes. So if that's clean now and it works properly. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Peace.